Hello, everybody. Today is October 7th, and it's about 5:30 Asian Standard Time, and I'm here at East West um, Brewery. I'm just enjoying myself a little bit before uh, New York session opens, and I just want to go over the chart with you, see what can we extract from the price action. But before diving into the chart, I do have a story to share. I have a friend who is very bullish on EU. I mean, he got in at a very optimal point of time, and he was up like 600 pips. But he never took profit. He because he got in at such a good point, entry point that I think it kind of like cast a little curtain, I would say, in his eyes, and he did not even see or manage to trade well. So that's the reason why I'm making this video. Is just just to go back and see what you guys, based on that story, what you can extract, right? So let's dive into it. I want to share my screen. So here we are, your USD. And before we go to we're going to go to the hour. Okay. So Euro USD has been moving. All right, you see this. I mean, this movement has been. Okay, so we're in the London session now. Right? But yesterday was like a big move down because yes, it was Monday, and then after the Asian session, right? News came out that the French minister um, resigned. So, anyways, my friend put in an order right down here, 1653, right? We got it right here, and then it went all the way up. Right? He didn't even trade the New York section or whatever. But we got to talk it again around uh, Asian section. So, anyways, I want to take that up. Um, so the story is like you have to manage your trade. Okay, like you're up like 400 or 500 pips, right? But he's still thinking that it's going to be like very bullish. So he was just thinking that okay, price going to do this, dip a little bit, and then just go up. Well, yeah, it could be, right? Who knows, right? We're not here to move market. We're as retailers, right? Well, we're not going to have an impact on price per se, right? Um, so I was just telling him like, hey, look, I gotta back up a little bit, analyze the technical, right? So what's the technical right here telling me if we're gonna go on to the 1 hour, the 1 day time frame, right? Yes, we are bullish. Right? This is our bullish leg right here. It's been bullish ever since May, right? Making higher and higher. Bullish. But, okay? Price action, right? What's price telling you now? What's price doing right now? Well, it price is telling us that after this high, it's doing a little retracement, right? And we all agree that this is a pullback from that, right? So who are we to tell price make a deeper retracement or a deeper pullback? So we just have to look at the trend. So what is the trend? So right here, right? It broke that. It's creating lower lows. But anyways, I'm just looking at a couple things right now. So the structure point that we're in is this, okay? So let's just say that we, um, because this broke here, we just assume that it's going to go down further because this is transition, right? And look at the momentum, right? For price from here, like around this price point to go up here, it took a while, but it took a very short time to go down. So we can just assume that the momentum is the downside. And this is also what a pullback from that. So unless unless price indicates otherwise, I think it's good. And so price failed, come up here, make a new high, right? And now we're in this move, right? So even though if we were able to catch such a good move up, yeah, look at this, right? Fail to create weird highs, right? So after this pullback, right, I would have a good indication, okay, that the price probably exhausted the set, okay? And the biggest move is going to be to the downside. So the volume might get out here and secure this much profit. But I don't know. I think he got out somewhere right here, which giving back the market more money than you know it deserved. But again, yeah. So we have another price action that I'm considering looking at. It's right here, right? So based on this leg, right? So based on this leg, where we're at, so lower time frame. So based on where we're at, I was what would have been bullish after this. Still to buy a right. I concluded that after this was taken down, it was just a pullback or a continuation, and I was right. Right, but then I failed to realize that right here was was a was a major point of rejection, right? And then from here, price came down not once but twice, took this structure out, creating a new structure range. Oh, so new leg, right? So this high grade, this low grade, this low, this high grade, this low, and then it fell to go down here. After this leg, right? What do we see, right? After this, there's a transition. Price came back, mediate this right here for another continuation. So high, low, retracement, continuation, right? And then what's price doing here? Retrace again. So this is we have one PI, two, three PI indicating that price is going to go down. Right. Right. Um, so again, this is a pretty good area to watch, right? Before, but I'm transitioning. I think price is going to go break this, go further down before it moves up because we can see this, on a higher time frame, see where price action and where the momentum is going. Well, I hope it helps, and thank you for listening in.